All right, everybody, welcome back to Non-Mover RV. This is Rusty, your host. Glad to have you here. We got a peach, we got a steal, we got a pearl of a deal for you this week. So make sure you don't go anywhere. Stick around. Non-Mover RV. All right, welcome back to Non-Mover RV. I'd like to say a special thank you, special great big howdy to Terry Haynes. We're glad that itching is getting better. Keep using that cream, sir. All right, don't go anywhere. We're going to take a look at this non-mover. And it is a beauty. It's a peach, it's a pearl, it's a heck of a deal. Now, you're not going to find many units like this still around on the market these days. This is pre-camouflaged and it's pre-vented for aerodynamics. So it's going to come with special glass in the front. Looks like it hadn't been moved forever, but that is on purpose. That is a special add-on here at Non-Mover RV. All right, now it looks like that's either a vent hose in the front there or the sewer hose. We don't know which one. We ain't been in and we can't get in because the door's wired shut and there's a big pistol sticker on the side of it that says don't go in. So you'll have to see that when you come look at it yourself. Now, if you look down the driver's side here, you're going to see the styling. You'll see the profile and how it has the swoop on the bottom, and that's for aerodynamics. It's got power mirrors. You can see the power cord right there below it. Power mirrors with a CB antenna and special fluffy, soft curtains for the driver's shade. Now, these tires right here, they may look horrible, but they still got a lot of use, and they can sit here for another 10 years probably before they dry right off. These are not frameless windows. They obviously have a frame, and you can see that they come padded on the inside so they don't leak. Now, this thing right here, this is, like I said, it's an open road. Now, it is sturdy as it can be. Now, I don't want you to worry about that down right there. Don't worry about that thing right there. We're talking about, this is a no amp plug. There's no amps on this, so you don't have to worry about electrical fire because there's no amps. Looking at the back, you got storage galore. There's storage in here. We're gonna open up this compartment, look in there. Holy smokes, will you look at the room in there? That's where your propane tank's gonna go. Now, looking at the back here, you're not gonna find many like this. They don't have incandescent lights or LED lights. Matter of fact, it don't come with any lights at all, but it does come with Super Skunk. Now looking, this is an American-made coach. American-made coach for open road. Look down this side, that's where you're gonna put the gasoline or the fresh water. In this coach, I believe it goes to the same tank. Now, people pay extra money for these designer sidewalls. It looks old as crap. Old as crap. It looks old. How it's flaking and nasty. That's brand new. Brand new. Side ventilation. Got some side ventilation in there. And that's going to be the back of your water heater. Or your gas heater. Now, I see that door's chained shut. And it says warning. So we're not going to go in there. Just last thing I'm going to tell you about the old open road here is it comes pre-camouflaged on the roof, and it's got extra installation of pine cones and pine straw, and that keeps the rain out or keeps the rain in, whichever way you want to look at it. Well, that's a real quick look at American open road here at Non-Mover RV. Well, that's going to do it for this one. Until next time, like my grandpappy said, if it's wet and it's sticky and it ain't yours, don't touch it. See you next time, fellas.